Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, we're gonna be doing a scratch. Well, I already made a part 3, but this stupid recording software, when I pause the video, it it shows a blank screen for the rest of the video until I stop recording. So let's see. Well, let's say, all right, now where's the money? Money. Uh, Let me see. Let me get that away. Get that, and then let me get that because there's nothing over here. Alright, so wait, what? When backdrop switches to backdrop 2 show, this is backdrop 2, right? Is this backdrop photo? Yes, this is backdrop 2. Now, backdrop 2. Backdrop 1, backdrop 2. It is on back. Where's the money variable? CPC, cash. No. Large readout. Put that there. Alright, so do what I do, alright? So I have this set up. Alright, so let's get into the coding. Why is the money not showing up? Come on. Pressing green flag, but nothing seems to be happening. Alright, let's see. Let's say go to front layer. Did something break? Are you freaking kidding me? Freaking Rick. Yeah. Okay. I got the hide, but hold up. Is it backdrop or costume? I believe it's backdrop. Okay, God. What if it's just there? What if this video goes bad too? I hope it goes good, because, alright, let's see. Alright, it didn't show that it mattering. But we need when backdrop switches. When backdrop switches to backdrop 2, we need to show the stars 2. So show the star. Let's see if I'm recording now. Yes, I am still recording. Alright, let me close this. Now it doesn't work. This sprite 2 thing is just a nice thing, so nothing involved. We're also gonna add a sound. So download your favorite music and then just add it into the sound. Hold up. Oh no. Is this gonna be, hold up, I'm gonna pause the video just in case. Alright. Okay. Is the video still going? Oh yeah, okay. Alright guys. So my favorite music is Monday right now. Now also make this variable called TPC, which stands for clicks per second. Oh, this is, yeah, this one. Alright. Play sound invisible ride tracks. Yeah, I like it. Do you guys like it too? Backtrack 3? No. Backtrack 2? Hold on, let me go into the backdrops. Because they'll switch from why. Doesn't do anything. I guess I'll make part 2 on this video when part 1 hits 5 likes. But I'll do it tomorrow when I figure out why this thing isn't working. Maybe I'll just pause the video and try to figure out. Yeah, let's just pause the video. Okay. Alright guys, so I figured, am I recording? Yes, I am recording. Hold up, let me go right. So the thing that was like doing it is you're supposed to like do one green front click, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Is the music too loud? I will turn it on if it is. Where's the money? Oh, we didn't add my backdrop switches to backdrop 2. The backdrop switches to backdrop 2. So, alright, now, let's get on with the fun part. Let's see how much I'm recording. Can I please show me? Yes, can. Alright, so, quickly make this like the back button. The grayish color. Quickly just make like the back button. Pretty good, right? Alright. Yo, that's so clean. How did I do that? That's so clean. I want to put this over here. You want to write shop or any kind of shop or whatever you want to call your store or what. I'm just going to call it shop because shop is like a shop and you sell stuff in there. I'm not going to explain too much. Okay, let's see. And by the way, we need to make another backdrop. So we need when this sprite clicked. When the sprite clicked, switch backdrop to the shop backdrop, which is gonna be a backdrop. And we're gonna add shop into it. So shop. And we're gonna make it white. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, oh no. White, boom. Now it's just, no, not like that. Yeah, I guess like that's pretty good. Let's make the back button over here. I think the one is shot pretty nice, right? Okay, let's see here. This is pretty intense, so if you like this, please give me a like because this is so intense. Alright, so now let's do one backdrop switches to backdrop. No. Why we however need to hide it, not show it. Because